Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into another important test in the field of immunohistochemistry, the Cytokeratin-20 or CK-20 test. This test plays a crucial role in diagnosing and determining the origin of various carcinomas. So, let's get started. Pre-test information. Before undergoing the CK-20 test, it's important to provide some essential pre-test information. You'll need to submit a copy of the histopathology report, specify the site of the biopsy, and include a detailed clinical history. This information helps pathologists understand the context and origin of the biopsy, which is crucial for accurate testing. Specification of the CK-20 test. Now, let's talk about the specifications of the CK-20 test. CK-20 is an intermediate filament protein expressed in the cytoplasm of epithelial cells. It's particularly useful in identifying the primary site of carcinomas, especially when the origin is unknown. Diseases associated. One of the key benefits of the CK-20 test is its association with specific diseases. CK-20 is typically positive in colon carcinomas, which means it can be a significant marker in identifying and diagnosing this type of cancer. Specimen used. For the test, the specimen used is usually a biopsy sample from the suspected site of cancer. This sample is then processed and stained to detect the presence of CK-20. Components included. The components of the CK-20 test include the biopsy specimen, specific antibodies that bind to CK-20 proteins, and various reagents that help visualize the results under a microscope. Test report time. Once the test is conducted, you can expect to receive the report within 7 days. This time frame allows for the proper processing and analysis of the biopsy sample to ensure accurate results. General test information. Here's some additional information about the CK-20 test. CK-20 aids in determining the primary site in carcinomas of unknown origin. When used together with Cytokeratin-7, another protein marker, it becomes even more useful in pinpointing the primary site of these carcinomas. The combination of CK-7 and CK-20 staining patterns provides valuable clues to pathologists. Conclusion. In summary, the CK-20 test is a powerful tool in the diagnostic process, especially for identifying colon carcinomas and determining the primary site of carcinomas when the origin is unknown. This test, along with CK-7, can provide critical insights that guide treatment decisions. If you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover, drop them in the comments below.